Today I'm investigating this area over here. They getting gold and silver, and I can go there. There's private property, but rocks is everywhere the same. So I be collecting some rocks and do samples. Okay, rocks is like very promising. See what kind of rocks we have. Everywhere lava with a lot of quartz, looks like. See quartz everywhere, and between them maybe it's gold and silver. So it's a lot of rocks on the floor, so I be collecting some and we'll see what we get. Rocks is very nice looking, shines like silver. See, and we'll see what we get. Okay, I'm already home. I went to my village and I put some rocks, bigger pieces, in the fire to burn, to make them softer. If I found something in those rocks, then I don't have problem to crush it. So, but today for the experiment, just check, do we have at least something in those rocks? I be crushing few rocks and do testing. Look how shines. You see shiny sparklings? I suspect this is a silver. But where is silver, there normally supposed to be gold too. So this is, I want to test for gold, but later on I be working to recover that silver if there is. So, and I have a lot from different areas in that area where you saw the gold mine, and you see shines some. It's like a metal here. Everything because what's in fire. Okay, so right now I be collecting some samples and crush it, pan it, and we do quick test for gold. Because silver I not need it, but what to do? If there is silver, then I need to start working on silver too. Okay, and this is everything in next to the gold mine. The big, not mine, there is like an open pit. They blowing up material and just crushing and putting in cyanide or some kind of other chemicals to recover silver, gold, and everything what is there. So in that case, I need to find something too. Okay, if there is. So, and you don't need a lot of rock to crush it to figure out. This is not iron because it's not sticks to magnet, and so I need to figure out this is maybe silver chloride, or silver chloride or silver oxide, maybe faster we can say. Okay, so let me collect some samples. I show you what I get and crush it, pan it, and we do the quick chemical test. I'm interested in gold. So if I found the gold, there is a lot of those kind of areas in that desert. So let's see. Those rocks here, a lot of silver, seeing shining silver, and this brown stuff here looks like silver oxide on the surface, on the quartz. This is quartz. This is the same thing. You see the layer of brown something. I didn't see with microscope, nothing, so need to do the chemical analysis here. You see the brown spot where we're looking. This is metallic shine, but it's not a metallic, maybe mica. But I take this quartz and crush it, and this is quartz. This is a lot of silver. I can see the shining, but today we just testing for gold. And this is burn rock. I don't know what is that. So I need to crush it. I'll be crushing. This is not like crystal. Yeah. So we crush and collect the microscopic stuff, and then we do quick chemical test for gold. Okay, silver be next. Silver next. Right now I'm a little bit more interested in the gold. So let's see, can I get something from this? So I quick crush little bit. I don't need a lot of material, but if there is at least 2 specks of gold, I will see it. Okay, so if there is more, then I crush later. Okay, little bit more. So right now we go do the panning. This much material. A lot of dirt. Don't want to make dirty. The solution goes away. Let me pan it and I show you. I finished panning, and I found one microscopic size. Where is that? Well, here, little microscopic piece of gold in the center. I can't even show you. So small, but there is some kind of debris over here. So I leave that much. I just need to take that little amount of heavy material, and we do the chemical test. But like I say, gold is there, but it's very, very small. Okay, microscopic size, but there is metallic size. But this, you see, I can even show you with camera that gold, what I see visible. Where is now? I don't even know. Okay, so right now I'll be transferring everything to my beaker and start chemicals. Use chemicals to see do we have something, but I can see there is silver, looks like metal pieces, and ought to be pirate or maybe silver pieces, microscopic too. It shines like on the rock. Okay, let me go and do it. I saw one little speck of gold in this place, but it's very small, and I saw there's some more silver little chunks. They flattened because when I crush it rocks, they became flat. So they are flat. That means not a pirate. And I want just take this all material and do chemical test, and we will see what we get. Okay? Because normally gold is invisible, especially in that gold area where they getting that gold. The gold is very small, and they're using cyanide or some kind of other chemical to recover that gold. So you see, I take everything what is left. There is heavy stuff, is nothing left. So now I throw the water away. It's just water, so no problem, we can put it on the floor. And now I do some kind of, I have I'll be using nitrate, sodium nitrate. I don't need a lot, I need like few drops. What is that? You can take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's it. And hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, just like 2 or 3 milliliters. And that's it. That much we needed to do the test for gold. And if we can heat it a little bit, that reaction goes faster. See, right now it's bubbling on cold, but when we heat it, then all gold dissolves. That much we needed to do the test. We don't need to tons and tons of material, work it out to find out do we have a gold. Especially when you see already gold when panning with microscope. You need to have a looper at least 60 times to see that gold, because gold is normally microscopic size. And then you do the chemical test. It's very simple. Okay, and when now I need to go heat it. Okay, let me go. When I got heated, everything started more active and dissolves everything. So let's work till it stops bubbling. That way I guarantee that we don't have gold, everything gold be dissolved in solution. So, and then we do just little test. Okay, you see how many bubbles. As soon as I start heating, reaction gets good, fast. So let's me found a small beaker right now. Okay. So to cool down, I add some beaker with the water and add this hot solution, because if there is gold, we will see it. And now it's a little bit cooler down. We can use stannous chloride and see do we have a gold. Okay. Solution changing color. That means we have a gold. You see purple? It's getting purple. You see purple? So no wonder why there is a gold mine. Look how nice purple. Where to show you? How to show you? Purple. That is a gold. You see? That is no lie. It's not bad amount of gold from that little rocks what I crushed it. You see how dark we became? All purple. So that means that area contains a gold, and I show you on Google Maps. If you somebody interested, you can go there, collect some rocks and play with them. Okay, it's about 90 miles from Los Angeles. So I on the way to my village. Went there, stopped there and get some samples. So you see, you never see this gold if you pan it or do some kind of shaking table or something, because gold is very, very small. It's microscopic. You saw how little amount of there was line of some kind of black, brown rocks. I can even, not rocks, the pieces on the pan, and I just collected that much sand, and you see what kind of results I get. So that way you can recover this gold too. If you use some kind of rock crusher, crush it, pan it and work with the hard, heavy stuff what is on the bottom of the pan, you can recover that gold. Or you need to make a concentrator, which one I right now making. I show you next video maybe about what I doing right now, and then you will see what I can do here. Right now let's go to Google Maps and show you place where I collected everything. I went this road, and what you saw that was this is where they digging, and I collected samples over here. So they're very rich in gold, very rich in gold, invisible gold. So like you see, you don't know where is the gold. You're walking on that gold. You can't see this gold. You can't touch that gold. And just chemical analysis can show you that there is the gold. That way, I say, you need to learn how to do the chemical analysis for gold rock. And when you already know that there is a gold, then it's worth working on that area, worth collecting those rocks, crushing and putting the chemicals and getting out the gold. So this is where I got the samples. This is a big gold mine. Yeah, this is a fields where they're leaching the gold. This is a pond where they're collecting that leached pregnant solution. And this is a place over here where I collect those samples. See, this is the same brown rock like in here. So no wonder why they are so rich in gold. Okay, so let's look one more time where I collect the samples. I think I went to this point. Where the rock? Or here. Or here. Boom, till this point. And I collect the samples from this hill. But this is, guys, it's a private property problem. I wish I lived somewhere close. I need to buy a house somewhere here. Then I can work on this area nicely. Nobody knows. But I collect the samples in this place. Gold I collecting here. So let's look how looks on Google. Guys, you see, I have a little bit bad weather in Los Angeles, and we have rain in the hills. It's very hard to do something when it's like raining because it's mudslides. It's some roads closed. So I didn't do nothing, but I work on some kind of tools. I ordered some parts from Timu, and I got it, and now I'm putting together, and I will showing you what I'm making. I'm making some kind of concentrator for sand. Remember, I have a sand places where it's a lot of sand, which one contains the gold, and I was thinking how to recover that gold. So I got idea. So right now I try to make it, everything put together, and maybe next video I show you. Then we go to my village and we try to work with that tool, and we'll see how everything works. Okay, so be patient. Sometimes I don't put the videos, don't get frustrated because it's not every time I can do something, because weather is what yesterday was raining all day, today is sunny, almost summer in my place, but this is maybe spring is coming. I go back to the hills. Right now, if I look on the hills, I see the snow on there. So I don't want to be in snow and cold looking for some kind of gold. So everything okay. So see you later.